Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by L W Mudge in 1876. You see that black just has a bunch of pawns left over. White also has lots of pawns, but they've got the bishop that's ready to move in against the king. It can do some reveal checks with the queen also lining up. So it's white's turn. Can you get the checkmate in 2? If you take the pawn using the bishop to b2, it does a reveal check on the king, and the king does have an escape square. Then you can promote the pawn to check again, but the king still has another escape square, so you only get a checkmate in 3, not 2. If you move the bishop to d4, the king can still escape to b4. You can promote the pawn to a queen, but the king still has an escape square, so you only checkmate in 3. If the king tries to take the bishop after moving to d4, you can then take the pawn with the king. Promotion by the black pawn to a queen still results in checkmate in 3, but not 2. If you move the queen to b3, if then black pushes the pawn to promote to a queen, you can get a checkmate in 2 by pushing up the d pawn. However, if black takes the pawn with their pawn, you can't get a checkmate in 2 because the king has an escape square. Okay, let's have a look at the solution for this one. So if you need more time, pause the video. So the way to do this checkmate in 2 is actually to move the queen to a4. Black promotes the b pawn. You can just move the queen to c6 to checkmate in 2. And if the king takes the pawn on d5, you can still move your queen to c6 to checkmate the king. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.